today's video, I uncover a digital product design idea that has the potential to significantly enhance your earning this upcoming Valentine season. With a total of 15 sales in the last 24 hours, these products demonstrate a strong market value. Let's dive in and explore the possibilities for your success. Before diving into the design process, there are critical tips you need to know when it comes to designing digital products for holiday season like Valentine. Knowing what customers like about the product and dislike and how the product is being used is very crucial. Now, when it comes to holiday-themed digital products like patterns, clip art, and card designs, there is a gold mine of opportunities. However, the market can be saturated, making it challenging for new sellers to make sales. The good thing is, there are still undiscovered design ideas with high market demand that you can still sell now and generate revenue out of it. Unfortunately, uncovering this potential design for sales involve investing a significant amount of time navigating through numerous products on Etsy to discover that unique design idea that truly stand out. Now, to save you all the stress, I did a deeper research and, ladies and gentlemen, I stumbled upon this store selling this simple yet effective clip art design. One of the reasons why this particular design is selling so well is because it speaks directly to the customers with compelling text, making it stand out from its competitor. So if I were to buy a design like this for a loved one, the text alone makes the design looks more attractive, and such a design can be applied to various products, providing customers with wide range of options. Now, another way to analyze this product before designing is by using this paid tool called Alura to obtain selling insight into the digital product. And for those unfamiliar with this, Alura is an external exit tool offering features like keyword research and shop analysis. It provides valuable information such as monthly and total store revenue, and with this insight, you can easily outperform your competitors. And for crafting a digital product like this, Canva stands out as the optimal and user-friendly software to use. And based on my observation, these specific design elements can easily be found within Canva platform. Now start by going to Canva and create a custom site. Click on the plus sign and select elements and search for skeleton clip art design, similar to that of our competitors. But unfortunately, after hours of searching, I couldn't find a perfect match. So the solution was to search it on Pinterest, where I locally stumbled upon suitable images I could use. And after downloading the images, I ran into a problem. The images came out as low resolution and could potentially be pixelated when printed. To overcome this, I turned to this app from Google Play Store called Remini to upscale and improve the image quality. Once I had the image on Canva, it was time to assemble other elements. Firstly, I brought in a circular border from the elements section and duplicated it. For the text, I copied that of our competitors and I asked ChatGPT to generate 10 similar short phrases. After obtaining the text, it was time to arrange it on Canva. Firstly, I choose this font similar to that of our competitor and I click on effect to increase the outline so it will look similar to what this seller has. Then I choose effect and click on shape to bend my text. I also added additional elements by searching for decorative design in the elements section. And remember, the only way to make a good design is to use that of our competitor as inspiration to craft your own design. And just like that, your design is ready. Now, a good design won't sell if these crucial steps are not presented effectively. And the first step is your thumbnail, and this is the initial impression for potential buyers. Studying your competitor's thumbnail is essential, and in this case, this seller only displayed the design. So consider adding mock-up design to give your customer a sense of how it will look when printed. Fortunately, Canva offers a variety of mock-up design for this purpose. The second crucial aspect is your product description. If crafting a compelling description is challenging, consider copying from your competitors and use ChatGPT to restructure it for you. Then you can now edit it to align with your specific product. The third key element is pricing. Analyze other sellers offering similar designs and set your price competitively and profitably, aiming for a balance between affordability and value. The fourth aspect is your tag. Utilizing a tool like Alura can be highly beneficial. You can replicate the tag used by your competitors to optimize your product for visibility. Finally, gather all your design in a Google Drive folder. Then use the link to craft a downloadable PDF page. To do this, head over to Canva and search for Valentine PDF page. Once you find the perfect layout, look for the download now button in the elements section. Input a text saying click on the download button to get this file. Now, to make the download button work like magic, click on those 3 dots, swipe to the end, choose link and paste your link. Then export it as PDF. Now, when someone clicks on that download button, it will take them to the downloading folder. Now, remember, this journey is only about continuous improvement. Keep uploading better quality design and success will follow. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you on the next one. Happy designing.